Today we are going to receive grain on a contract. First thing we need to do is go to Contract Management and create our contract. We'll go to Contracts and select New. We will select our template, which will populate many of the fields that we regularly use. We want to enter our entity, which this will be our vendor in this case. We want to enter our quantity, so we're going to do 5,000 bushels. Make sure everything else looks good on the screen, and we're going to insert our pricing sequence. Again, we'll make sure what populated looks good. We're going to enter our futures and our basis. Which will calculate our cash price of $3.75. We will save our sequence and we will save our contract. Now we want to receive our grain. We will go to Ticket Management, go to Tickets, and we're going to create a new ticket. We're going to do a load-in ticket. We will enter our vendor. And we can go up to the top of our toolbar and hit Contract. This will bring up a screen that will populate all of that vendor's open contracts. And we can select our contract from this listing. Right here we have our contract we want to use. And it brings in our item, it brings in the contract, it brings in our pricing information. And our gross weight and our tare weight. We can enter any quality discount readings that we need. I'm going to save our ticket and we will distribute. When prompted, select yes. This will bring up our manual distribution screen. And at this time, we can take a look and we see our 1,000 bushels for Joe Ag, our vendor. We see our contracts. We have 1,000 bushels on contract 2451. If we needed to change our contract at this point, we could do that, or if we needed to change it to a different distribution type, we could do that. We don't want to do that, so we're going to hit process. And this will distribute our ticket. It will create our inventory receipt, which will relieve our contract, and will also create our voucher so that we can pay our vendor. And that is receiving grain on a grain contract.